If you haven't really noticed already, YouTube has came out with its own little thing called YouTube Shorts. It's basically just short videos that you can post on YouTube, and they're basically just competing with TikTok. So the main thing is they want to get more users onto YouTube channel, right? Because the more users is what they actually want, and they're competing with TikTok. So today I'm going to be showing you, and we're going to be going into the computer and showing you how to create these YouTube Shorts. Not only one, because you can get crazy amount of views, right? For making 15, 16, under a minute videos. 2, we're gonna monetize it, all right? I'm gonna show you how you could actually monetize making these short videos, making money as well. And then 3, I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna give you a bonus on how you can make more money on top of that. So if you guys haven't been here, if this is new to my channel, my name is David G, and what I do is I help you guys make money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, we talk about passive income, making money online, starting your own online business, and this is actually one of them where these platforms are brand new, or not these platforms, but these projects, these YouTube Shorts, they're actually brand new, and not a lot of people are doing it, and you're gonna be one of the first ones to actually jump on this trend and make money on top of it, all right? So you guys are new, please subscribe to that channel. And if you like it, I'm not gonna tell you to like this video first, watch it first, and then if you like it, hit that like. It really does help out the algorithm, it helps out this channel to grow as well and get it out to more users, all right? So let's go ahead and jump in here. I'm gonna show you how these shorts work, all right? So if you go into YouTube, just type in the words #shorts, and you're gonna see that all these 17, 20, under a minute videos, short videos where people are basically doing everything, 3 million views, and you get crazy amount of views on here. So this is actually one of the greatest things that YouTube has came out, because for one, you're gonna get so many views, all right? And then 2, this is actually one of the fastest and easiest ways to grow a channel here on YouTube, all right? But we're gonna go ahead and be making money on top of that, or on the side. So the first thing that we wanna do is we're gonna wanna pick section, a niche that we're going to want to join in, okay? So a lot of times what you can do is come up here to the shorts search button, type in YouTube Shorts plus, and it's gonna come up with so many different stuff, all right? You've seen that I've seen weight loss, make money online, travel, gadgets, whatever the case is, whatever you're actually passionate about, what you like doing, because you're gonna be making videos around this, all right? You're gonna create a channel and making videos around this niche. Let's go ahead and, for example, let's go to weight loss. Okay, a lot of people are trying to lose weight, right? Because for one, from last year from COVID, everybody was indoors, everybody was at home. So this is actually a great way to attract more people to be working at home, right? To be taking those supplements that they need in order for them to lose weight. I like to actually filter this. Come up here to filter, view count, as well as, let's get this under 4 minutes, okay? And you're gonna see here, this person has 60,000 views, 12,000 views, 10K, right? And they're just short videos. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the weight loss niche here, okay? So now that we picked that, now we're gonna go ahead and create videos. We're not gonna copy these guys, but we're gonna take our own little spice. We're gonna get ideas, and we're gonna take our own little spice on this. The best place that I like to actually make all my videos, to make all my thumbnails and stuff, is in Canva. If you guys haven't seen Canva, Canva is a free platform where you can create your own thumbnails, videos, designs, whatever the case is, kind of thing. And it is free. There is a pro account, but I use the free account. You're gonna come up here and you're gonna go to video, okay? Because that's what we're gonna be making, video. Okay, and then I guess I already clicked on it. We're gonna come down to mobile video, because that is what we're gonna be making. Now that we have our actual template, okay, we can create our own little templates, but I like to use I just like to use a plain one right here, okay? You can pick out all these templates. I like to pick out my own. Let's go ahead and look at weight loss. What I like to do is come down here, down to the videos. If you don't have it on your tab here, just come down to more, and they're all gonna show up. They're gonna pop up, photos, videos, charts, whatever the case is. Come up to videos, let's go ahead and click on weight loss. Let's see what I got from here. So you see that there is a little crown on the bottom right hand corner, which is pro. That is going to be the paid subscription. That is where, if you pay, you'll get that video. Now, if you don't want to go on a monthly basis, you can actually just pay for this one video. It's probably about $1 if you really like it. If not, so let's just stick to the free ones. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the free ones for today. And let's see, so let's say you don't find a video that you like. Let's say the ones you don't want to pay, and you don't find one that's free that you like. Come over to Pixels. I have Pixels up here. come up Pexels, which is a free platform where you can actually get videos, photos for free. Okay, these you can use for free on your own. So I typed in weight loss and I went up to videos, and check this out. Check out, I think I just saw this one, right? Yeah, look at that. So somebody actually used this same video, this same picture from here. So let's go ahead and use it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same one as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download it, and you kind of see that it popped up down here on the bottom. Come back to your Canva, and you can basically just drag it into your uploads. Kind of see that I have a bunch of videos here. There we go. Oh, it looks like it's going on double right now. So this is, like I said, this is where I make all my videos, all my thumbnails and stuff. Once it's actually done, you can pick it up, drag it. Okay, if you drag it, you can kind of see that it fills up the whole page, or if you don't want that, you can actually just kind of size it your own. Okay, but we're gonna go ahead and now it's not picking it up. All right, well, let's go ahead and try that again. There we go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use this one, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a text. Okay, that way people know when they see our videos, they're gonna see a video of a girl, woman working out, but we're also going to put a headline here. And the best way to kind of do this, what I do is I go to Google, right? I go to websites. So we're looking up, let's go 3 best weight loss exercises. All right, it looks like I spelled that wrong, but that's all right. So we can go ahead and pick out all of these. We can do cycling, weight training, interval, right? And make a some shorts on these. So the first one, I'm gonna go ahead and come back up to my video here, and I'm gonna go ahead and name this 3 best weight loss exercises. Shit. Exercises, and I guess I did that right there. Let's go ahead and make this yellow. All right, so we're gonna pop this, we're gonna make this basically pop out, and up here you kind of see I'm going and I'm changing the color, where this is where you can actually change the color, and I'm gonna go ahead and size it down. I want it to fit, but as well as I want to let people know that this is what they're gonna actually get. Now on top of that, you kind of see that it kind of blends in. Come up to effects, and what I like to do is on these, offset, go all the way to the left, blur right, and then transparency all the way to the right. Okay, I don't want it red, let's go with black. That kind of pops out a little bit more, right? You can actually see it, it's very clear, and it grabs people's attention. Okay, so they're gonna know 3 best weight loss exercises. Okay, now that we have our first one, come down here, right click on it, and we're gonna go ahead and duplicate it. This first one, we're gonna go ahead and go with number 1, right? So number 1, exercise, or let's go ahead with number 1. Let's go with training. Let's just keep it simple. Exercise. Let's make this a little bit more smaller. Now the first one, let's go ahead and see cycling. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can find some videos, came back to Pexels, with cycling in them. Okay, so I can just kind of browse around, kind of glance. Let's go ahead and add in weight loss. Let's see what I got for that. All right, so it looks like I don't have anything for cycling. All right, so it looks like there's really nothing that I totally like. Let's go back up here. Let's go back in these videos. Cycling, what do I got for cycling? So they're all pro accounts, I said, again, if you have the pro account, you can actually go and use these, buy them if you want. You don't have to. Let's just go back to Pexels. I'm gonna go ahead and just pick one, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and pick this one. This one just kind of caught my eye. And again, we're gonna go ahead and download it. upload it up here. Oops, wrong one. I downloaded the wrong one. Downloading the same one. There we go. All right, so now that it's downloading, you kind of see that it's actually going to be sideways. Let's see. Let's see if we can find another one that's straight up and down. Probably not. I'm probably not going to find one, you know. But this is where you're going to. Here it is. Perfect. This is what I want. All right. I'm going to download this one. You know, and the name of the game is just kind of browsing. Once you actually start browsing, you start actually seeing what you like, what you don't like, kind of thing. So this one right here, right? This one's perfect for the next one that we're actually going to be doing. So as soon as it's done downloading, and you know what? So I can tell the people, let's go ahead and put cycling. That way they know the computer's running a little slow. There we go. All right, so now I got that, right? Let's go ahead and put this back to yellow and make sure that my effects, there we go, we got those. Boom. And you kind of see there that that's going to be the first exercise, right? If I wanted to play this, it's going to go with the first one, right? 3 best weight loss exercises. All right, cool. First one's going to be the cycling. There we go. So the cycling's number 1, right? And then you're going to continue to do this if you want to put 3 exercises or 4, as long as it's actually under a minute, okay? I'm not going to continue on just so I won't bore you, but you kind of get the gist of it, actually how it works. Once you download it and that is what you want, you're going to come up here, up to download right-hand corner, keep it at MP4, and you're going to go ahead and download it onto your computer. So it's going to, I guess my computer today is running a little slow. Don't know why. But now that we have our video, okay, we just created a short. That's how simple it is. You didn't use anybody's videos. You took your own. You got some ideas from here, right? You took your own and we created our own. The next place that we're going to go is we're going to go ahead and upload it onto our YouTube channel. You're going to create a channel, okay? And like I said, make it into a weight loss. For this example, we're going to make it into a weight loss. I'm going to show you as an example here. We're going to go up here, click on it, and we're going to upload it. So now it's coming up. You can actually take it and just drag the file on here and it's going to upload. Now, there's going to be a few keys that you're going to need to know in order to make this stand out, okay? In order for you to make sure that the viewers on the mobile, because it is different from people watching it on the desktop compared to a mobile. Now, oh, looks like I did spell, there we go, looks like I spelled exercise wrong. Let's go ahead and just fix that real quick, if my computer wants to do it. Wow, this thing is really slow today. There we go. All right, so we got 3 best weight loss exercises, okay? In this actual title, you have to put in hashtag shorts so you can tell Google that this is, that you can tell YouTube that this is going to be a short, okay? In this description down here, this is my description. I could delete this whole thing. So this is one that kind of auto-generates. We're gonna delete this for this purpose, for this example. And then this right here is where you're going to go ahead and copy again. Now, this is where we're gonna go ahead and get and monetize our shorts. Come up and go to clickbank.com, okay? So you can kind of see that I have not used ClickBank in a long time. If you guys don't know how to register, if you don't know how to navigate, I'll go ahead and put a video up here on the side, on the top right-hand corner, and I explain and I show you step by step how to register, how to open an account, how to look for products, stuff like that, okay? Here, since it is a health and fitness, I'm gonna come down to the health and fitness, and I could actually put in weight loss. So I can narrow it down, and I like to go down to the gravity. Again, like I said, gravities are going to be where it's getting the most amount of buyers of traffic and stuff. So let's see. So check this out, Okinawa flat body. This is perfect. And every time somebody is going to click on this link, we're going to make about $148, which is going to be amazing. All right. Put in your actual, your ID that you created. This is going to be your link. Copy this link, and this is what you're going to put in our channel right here. So 3 best weight loss exercises to, let's go ahead and put to, click here to start losing weight. Okay, that's probably not the best the best line, but just something, right? Just kind of something right here so that you can actually see. This is where you're going to copy your link so people can actually go on this link. Okay, now before you come out, I want you to go ahead and copy this link. Okay, click here to start losing weight, to find out click here for start losing weight. All right, after that, you're going to go ahead and just go ahead and click next. Click next. Continue to click next. It's going to do its checks, and then you're going to go ahead and publish. Public, and then publish. Once you publish, it's going to be on your channel. But remember how we actually copied the link? Go back to your link. This is going to be the important part. All right. So come down here into your comments. Here we go. This is where you're going to go ahead and paste your link, because on mobile devices, they're not going to actually be able to see the description. They're going to go ahead and be able to see the comments. That is what they're going to go ahead and see. Copy it, and then go ahead and pin it. Once you pin it, that means it's going to be on the top of the comments every time. So when people actually are on their phones, mobile devices, or whatever, they could actually go onto comments, click on that link, and then if they buy that product, you'll make $148. That is how simple it is to make these shorts and how to start making money. Okay, guys? So very simple. You kind of just saw how it is. Real quick, we're going to go through it, and you're going to go ahead and pick a niche. Okay, if it's health, woodworking, making money online, whatever the case is, kind of thing. Come over to Canva, create your videos using videos from Canva, from Pexel. You could also use it from Pixabay, right? Once you do that, you create your shorts, upload it onto YouTube. Make sure to get your links from ClickBank. You can go to Digistore. You can go to JVZoo, whatever the case is, whichever one you want. Promote those, and that is how you start making money while creating and growing your YouTube channel. Once your YouTube channel begins to grow, you can get monetized by them. So you're going to be making money with YouTube. At the same time, you're going to be monetizing, making money from ClickBank, from all these other products. All right, guys, that is how you start growing. That is how you start making money online. All right. If you guys want to see the full details, if you guys want to learn how to become an affiliate marketer, how to start making money online, this is what I do. This is how I start making money online. Click on that first link on the bottom in this video here. It's going to take you, it's going to show you exactly how to do, what to do, what I just talked about right here, right, guys? Once again, appreciate you guys that just came in. If you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe so you can subscribe. And also, if you like this video, if you found value from here, hit this like button on this video, all right, guys? Until next time, let's go ahead and make money.